your colors. I'm in love with all your nights, but you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Here I am giving you guys a little bit of a before. As you can tell from the title, we are tackling all of my laundry. We have tons as we just got back from our camping trip, and yeah, that's kind of what we're dealing with. So if you need some extreme laundry motivation and cleaning motivation, then you have come to the right place. So I am first starting off with sorting my clothes. When I do laundry in one day like this and I have some catching up to do, I do sort my laundry, but on a normal day-to-day basis, I do not. One of the biggest tips I can give you if you are going away, whether that be camping or just on a holiday or whatever, is to keep a garbage bag for all of your dirty clothes so that when you get home, they don't, mix with the clean clothes and whatever. I do give our clean clothes usually like a little freshen up, but I definitely don't always wash them all the time. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get on into the motivation.
Fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Only days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe, Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go? Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so, oh, you're looking so, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
So you will notice that I did not actually show myself doing and switching over the laundry, as I've noticed in my videos, because our laundry room is unfinished, lots of you guys kind of fall off, and so I didn't end up showing that, but I wanted to show you guys what I use in my laundry. So I got these dryer balls off of Amazon. I will have them linked below. They are wool dryer balls and they come in a pack of 6. And obviously the rest of them are being used currently in the laundry that is running. And then I just use these Tide pods, and I actually put them in these little glass jars that I got from my local superstore. You can also get them off of Amazon as well, and I will have similar ones linked below. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I am actually using when I'm doing the laundry in today's video. And so that is that, but now it is actually a lot later in the day. It's actually the evening time. We had taken our girls to the beach for a little party, and so now I have 4 different loads of laundry to fold, and so let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, we had tons of towels to fold, and you'll notice that I roll half of my towels and then I fold the other half. The ones that are rolled are our beach towels and just kind of like older towels. They're not as nice. I use them for cleaning, again, the beach, that sort of thing. But we are going to be getting into folding and putting away some of the actual clothes from our camping trip. But I would love to know in the comment section if you and your family camp at all. If you do, I would love to know your favorite place that you have been.
I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he has to know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Alright, so we are just finishing folding up this load of laundry here, and then we are going to go ahead and get it all put away, and we will actually continue the laundry motivation the following day, as it was like 10 o'clock at night. Not only was I really tired after a long day, but the last load was in the dryer drying, and so I wasn't going to wait up until like midnight and do laundry. And so again, we are just going to go ahead, get this stuff put away, and continue the laundry tomorrow.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
So as you can see, this is the following morning, and I filmed this on Saturday and Sunday, and you guys are seeing this on Monday. So I don't think I have ever hustled this hard to get a video done, like filmed, edited, and just completely finished within like 24 hours. And yeah, I was pretty excited about it, I'm not going to lie. It also just gave me the motivation to finally get all of the laundry done that we needed to get done. But as you can see, the rest of the house has kind of been neglected, as again, we were on a camping trip. And so it will be back to the grind this week, and I will have lots and lots of cleaning motivation coming at you guys later this week. So stay tuned for that.
Listen, all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Alright everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this extreme laundry clean with me and it gave you lots of laundry motivation. I hope you guys also enjoyed the more relaxing music. I don't do that very often, as I do prefer more upbeat, but let me know what you guys thought in the comments, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!